Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you the updated way to sort your Instagram Reels from newest to oldest. If you've ever wanted to quickly find your latest Reels or organize them chronologically, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and straightforward. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your profile. This is where all your posts, stories, and Reels live. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. After tapping the menu, you'll see several options. Find and tap on your activity. This section helps you manage everything you've shared and interacted with on Instagram, including your Reels. Next, under the Content You Shared category, tap on Reels. This will bring up a list of all the Reels you've posted on your profile. Now here's the key step. At the top of this list, you'll see a filter and sort icon. Tap on this icon to open sorting options. From the choices available, select Newest to Oldest. This will rearrange your Reels so that the most recent ones appear first, making it easy to find your latest content. And that's it. You've successfully sorted your Instagram Reels from newest to oldest with just a few taps. This updated method helps you stay organized and keeps your content easy to navigate, whether you're reviewing your own posts or sharing them with friends. Remember, Instagram often updates its interface, so if you don't see these exact options, check for any new layouts or menus. But for now, this is the fastest way to sort your Reels chronologically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more tips to get the most out of your Instagram experience.